This tutorial is a guide to using the Docs and Download feature. The colors and pictures on your own pages may be different to those in this movie. However, the functions are identical. The Documents and Downloads feature is located here. Click on it. All users have these navigation buttons. Downloads Home comes back to this page. Search opens a device to help find a particular document. You alone have this button, which we'll explain later. We scroll down. All users see these 7 predefined categories of documents, each of which contains a file. When you first visit this page, only first aid suggestions will contain files. We'll show you how to add your own files shortly. First, let's look at the documents containing files, already loaded in first aid suggestions. Click on the title. We now see the list of documents, each containing a .pdf format file. Note the statistics for each, including how many downloads. Only you have a full set of control buttons for each document. Other users don't, as we'll show you shortly. We'll scroll to the bottom of this page. Notice that there are several pages for you and other users to view. These 3 buttons are available to all users. Users clicking here will download the file in this document to their own computer. Click View, and a pop-up window will display the opened file. Additional controls appear to allow you to zoom in and out, print, save, email, and if the user has appropriate software installed on his computer, edit the document for his own purpose. Details opens a pop-up window, displaying full statistics and details of the file. These are your unique set of control and editing buttons. Click here to edit the document, particularly how it can be accessed by others. Your click will open this Edit Document page. You can change its title. Using this select menu, you can move it to a different category. These radio buttons allow you to publish, which means show it to users, or unpublish, which means hide it from them. This is a WYSIWYG editor. Use it to add a meaningful description, or an image. Please see this menu link for the tutorial guide to using it. There are 4 option tabs here. We only use the first 2. You can select one of these images to replace the file symbol in the description. This is the date from which the file will be visible to users. These will be explained later. Now we'll look at the Permissions tab. You can decide who can access this document and file. You can even make it private to a single user. If you do, consider putting it in the Private Files category. Obviously, this will be your member list, of course, with you as admin. And you can allow others to maintain a document. If you do, they will see these additional editing controls for that document only. License and details aren't used. When you're finished, click on Save to keep your changes, or Cancel to reject them. If you only want to move the document to a different category, use this button. Using the Select menu, as we saw earlier, moves it to a different category. Click here to action the move. When done, click here to go back. If you want to delete the document, click the Delete button. You get the opportunity to confirm, or reconsider the delete. This lets you replace the file in the document. You'll see how this works shortly, when we explain creating a new document. This will reset the downloads counter. As with delete, you are asked to confirm the action. If you click Checkout, no one can access the document until you reverse that action. We saw Unpublish, that is hiding the document from the users. Plus Publish earlier, this button is for that. Now back to the beginning, to see how to create and load your own documents. You'll recall, only you have this control button. Click on it. Your click opens this 3-step tool. You'll usually upload a file from your own computer. As you see, transferring a file or hyperlinking to a server are also options. All processes are similar, so we chose Upload. Click Next. That opens step 2. Click on this Browse button. Your computer's file manager will open. Locate and select the file that you want to upload. To prevent files that might harm your network, only these types are allowed. When you have the file you want, click Open. Automatically, the file's address is transferred here. Click to upload it. The system tells you the upload to Docman, the name of this feature, is in progress. Finally, step 3. In fact, you've seen this already. The page was headed, Edit the document, when you saw it before. However, the steps are identical, and there's no need to repeat them. With one exception. Now that you've uploaded your own file, you can see this is that file. If it were a linked file, that link would be identified. Homepage allows you to create a web page hyperlink in the document. When finished, click Save. And here is our new document. There are 2 more steps before it's accessible. First, you must approve it, which you do by clicking here. Finally, you must publish it, by clicking here. Your new document, approved, published, accessible to whoever you chose, with a hyperlink in the document header. Thank you.